What's going on, guys? Darren Fryer here, coming at you from Maui, Hawaii. In today's video, I want to do a very short and sweet Kangen water demonstration, proving to you guys why this water is the best water out there that you can drink. And all of these are pretty much terrible for you. So what I want to do in this video is show you guys the alkalinity demonstration and the green tea demonstration. So that way you guys can understand that this water is electrically alkaline, not chemically alkaline or acidic, and that this water is microclustered. It's actually easier to hydrate and penetrate your cells, giving your body the hydration that it needs, giving your body the nutrition that it needs, delivered the right way. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour out each of these beverages. Here's Sprite. I'm going to show you guys the pH of these. A lot of people don't realize that pretty much all diseases, cancers, health issues stem from an over-acidic body. When you're thinking about our lives, we're acidic all the time. Stress is acidic. Working out is acidic. All the lactic acid built up in your body. You're drinking these waters, these sodas, these sports drinks, they're all acidic. Meat, dairy, processed foods, those are acidic as well. So when you're looking at what you're putting into your body, your temple, are you keeping your body clean, or are you treating your body like a dump? And this is one of the reasons why, so many people have chronic health issues. And America is ranked, even though it's a developed country, it's one of the most unhealthy developed countries in the world. And people are now starting to learn how to take care of themselves properly, and this is a major step. So here's Hawaiian Isles. This is like the water I drank growing up. It's probably the most popular one on Maui. It's really cheap. You can usually get them for about 99 cents. Here's Aloha Vai. So right now you guys can't really tell what the pH is. I'm going to use this pH tester to reveal the true pH of the water, whether it's acidic, neutral, or alkaline. Here's Essentia 9.5. I used to drink this all the time, thinking it was healthier than normal water. Little did I realize it wasn't just overpriced. It really isn't healthier at all. So I'm going to get that. And then here's Kangen 9.5 filled up from my K8 machine. You can film that right over there. What's up? So let me pour this K8 water in. Cool. And now I'm going to use these pH drops to reveal the true pH of these waters, starting with the soda. So soda, as you guys probably should realize, is ultra acidic. When you read the ingredients, acid is literally like the first or second ingredient on it. Yeah, Fiji water comes all the way from Fiji, has to sit in that nasty plastic bottle as it gets shipped across the world out here to Hawaii and to the States. Got the Essentia 9.5 coming out pretty blue. It's chemically alkaline, which I'll show you guys isn't really beneficial to the health. So let me mix these so you guys can see the colors. Acidic, fake alkaline, real alkaline. So now, what I want to do for you guys is I want to show you what happens when you are drinking Kangen water after drinking acidic beverages your whole life. Just a little bit of Kangen water can start to alkalize your body. So you see Fiji water, which really quickly I want to talk about this because I have a lot of people tell me, isn't Fiji water the best water that you can drink, bottled? And it might be when it was bottled, whenever it was, but the fact that it gets bottled in Fiji, gets put in this toxic plastic bottle and has to get shipped around the world, they don't overnight it to your stores. It takes up to a year and it sits in this bottle, gets all the plastic into it, becomes unhealthy over time. So you take Kangen water and you'll see it starts to alkalize it. You drink Smart water, it alkalizes it. You drink Hawaiian Isles, it alkalizes it. So when you're alkaline, you have a better sense of energy, you have a better sense of health. It's already alkaline. So now you guys can see, by drinking Kangen water, you can start to help your body alkalize itself. When you're alkaline and hydrated properly, your body can detox and heal itself the way that nature intended. If you're drinking soda, this bottle, I'd probably have to fill 10 bottles of this to slightly change the pH of this soda. Soda is incredibly acidic. I think you need about 3 or 4 gallons to reverse the acidity of 1 glass of soda. So just to show you guys what happens with acidic soda in your body, you could be alkaline, you can have an amazing diet, but 1 sip of soda will turn your body back to an acidic state. There come the migraines, there come the body aches, there comes the lack of energy. You know, it's very powerful. Even pure Kangen water, just 1 little sip of soda and your body becomes acidic again. And like I said, every health issue pretty much known to man comes from an over-acidic body. Your body has to balance it out to keep your body neutral at 7.3. And you know, the more you're adding acidic things into your body, the more your body has to strip minerals from your bones, minerals from your blood, minerals from your body in order to buffer and balance out your blood's pH. And that's why it's so important to try to help alkalize your body with alkaline water, alkaline foods such as an organic plant-based diet, so that way you can help balance your body's pH so it doesn't have to balance it itself. And this is why people get amazing health benefits, because their body, when it doesn't have to buffer all the acidity 24 hours a day, it's able to perform amazing feats of healing on itself, the way nature intended. So right now I'm filling up my bottle with fresh 9.5 pH water from my K8 machine. As you can see, it's connected to my tap, runs through a pre-filter, runs through a filter in the machine, runs through 8 platinum-coated titanium ionized plates, and then out of the faucet into my bottle. And this is how you create electrically alkaline water, better known as alkalized water, the true alkaline water that you should be drinking on a daily basis. So now that I have my bottle, let me show you guys the fake alkaline water versus real alkaline water test. This one's kind of made me mad because I was spending a good amount of money on bottled alkaline water before I learned the truth. So let me take this Essentia 9.5. First, let me read the ingredients: purified water, sodium bicarbonate, potassium phosphate, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride. They add all these alkaline chemicals to the water. Those chemicals are not what your body wants. Your body wants naturally alkalized water, not acidic water with alkaline chemicals masking the true pH, so you think that it's healthier. So let me show you guys a quick little test. I'm going to fill this up with Essentia 9.5, fill this up with Kangen 9.5. Put the pH drops in again so you guys can once again see the alkalinity. It's purple, it's purple. It's about a 9.0 right here. This is about a 9.5. The carbon dioxide that I blow into these glasses are going to reveal the true alkalinity, because the chemicals that they put are going to become oxidized as I blow into it. So you'll see how fast this will turn acidic once I oxidize the alkaline chemicals that they added into the water bottle. So now you can see the water, it's probably about a 6.0. If I continue to blow, it'll become more acidic. I've oxidized the alkaline chemicals that they've supplemented into this water, so you can see you're actually drinking acidic water. So it might look alkaline when you test it, but in your body, it will become acidic, and that's what's important. So let me take this Kangen 9.5 and I'll blow in for about the same or longer if possible, and you'll see that this will remain alkaline because there's no chemicals added, there's no minerals added. All the chemicals and minerals and toxins are taken out. Energy is added, electricity, and you're able to ionize the water to make it alkaline. Out of breath. This is about my full breath, just like the other one, and you can see the water is still alkaline. So, you know, this is how you're able to test water for yourself to see if it's going to be alkaline in your body. And alkaline water in your body is what you want. That's how you're going to actually get real benefits from drinking this type of water. So the second major benefit of what makes this water so incredibly powerful is the fact that it has microclustered molecules. So most water molecules, they're clumped together. They're called macro clusters because, you know, when water sits in a bottle or even underground in an aquifer like our tap water for longer than even just a couple months, that water becomes dead water. There's no energy. Water in nature, spring water, the water of the healthiest places in the world, water is always moving, falling from waterfalls, moving through streams, melting from glaciers, and that's where water gets its natural energy, and you're able to drink natural alkalized water that our machine's able to recreate. So when you take this dead Fiji water, it's gonna be huge and clumpy, which is why when you see green tea, it tells you to boil the water before you brew the tea. Because when you boil water, you're actually adding the energy back into it, and the water molecules break apart, get smaller, and you're able to hydrate and brew the tea. So I'm going to take this green tea bag, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to take this, put it in here, take the Fiji water, and fill it up. And what happens? Nothing happens because these big, large, clustered molecules are too big to hydrate, penetrate, and brew the green tea. The same way it's going to make you feel bloated and full when you drink it. It's not going to hydrate your cells. You got to look at this tea bag as your cells. Your cells have what's called an aquaporin. That's like the entry to be able to enter the cell. And this water, you know, this water is too large to enter that. That's why you feel it sit in your stomach and swish around and get side pains. Whereas when people drink Kangen water, they say it feels lighter because it literally is. So now I'm going to take this tea bag, put it in this glass, take this fresh 9.5 Kangen water I just poured, and you'll see the difference. So as you can see, this room temperature Kangen water was able to hydrate, penetrate, and brew the green tea, which is basically a sign that it's going to do the same thing when you drink it. It's going to help hydrate your cells, it's going to help deliver nutrients to your cells, and it's going to help detoxify your cells. And this is literally the main reason why people lose so much weight and feel so much lighter and heavier. And this is why the doctor who invented the colonoscopy, Harold Shinya, prescribes Kangen water to all of his patients. And some of his patients are the royal families and some of the wealthiest people in the world. So, you know, he prescribes Kangen water as a colonoscopy doctor because of this benefit right here. So the next thing I want to show you, which kind of blew my mind, is how this will make your nutrients, your supplements, stronger, better, and more absorbed. So let me just take this tea bag, and I'm going to squeeze tea residue into these glasses. So I'm going to take this bag, squeeze 3 squeezes of tea. So this is just the residue of the tea. This isn't even the tea bag. 3 squeezes of tea right here. 3 squeezes of tea right here. And now I have this tea residue in both of these cups. So what this represents is that protein powder that you mix in all your drinks after your gym. This represents the salad that you ate, the smoothie that you drank, the juice that you drank. This is the nutrients in your body. What happens when you mix it with Hawaiian Isles and you're going to take that expensive protein powder with crap bottled water? What happens is it actually dilutes it. And you'll see, when I fill this cup up, you can barely tell that the tea residue is in the glass. Whereas when I take the Kangen water, you'll see a very big difference. It will actually expand the tea, and the whole glass will fill up much, much darker. And this is why people say when they make coffee with Kangen water, it feels like it's twice as strong. I know when I took pre-workout with Kangen water, I absorbed it within seconds, and it was literally twice as strong. I started taking half the amount of pre-workout, getting the same energy. And this is a really powerful demo, so that way you guys can understand if you're going to spend money on expensive supplements and you're taking it with shit water, you're missing out on what you can really be experiencing. And the third and final benefit of Kangen water, which I don't have the ORP reader, the oxidation reduction potential tool to read the antioxidants. You guys can do your own research. There's hundreds of videos on YouTube of people doing the demonstration. You can get a reader, an ORP reader, do the test for yourself. One of the biggest reasons that this water is so healthy is because it is an antioxidant rich water. It has hydrogen gas inside of it, which is from the ionized place. And hydrogen gas, molecular hydrogen gas, is the most powerful bioavailable antioxidant on the planet. And when you consume antioxidants on a daily level in your water, you're fighting the free radicals, you're fighting the oxidation, you're helping your body stay young and healthy and alive. The human body, just like the apple, just like the avocado, when exposed to oxygen over a period of time, starts to break down, age, and get older, which is why when you cut the apple in half and you leave it out, you'll see it turn brown within a day. The same thing happens with humans over a very long extended period of time, which is why you see people 60 to 100 years old look the way they do, because they've been oxidizing themselves for 60 plus years. That's why they went from a grape to a raisin. So if you want to stay a grape, you want to stay young and healthy, you got to consume an abundance of antioxidants, and there is no better source of antioxidants than getting a Kangen machine and drinking a gallon of this antioxidant-rich hydrogen water every single day. So I hope this demo was enlightening to you guys. I urge you to do your own research. Do these tests for yourself. Test what you're drinking on a daily basis. Test it against this water and prove to me that what you're drinking is healthier than what I'm drinking.